Today I'm going to take you inside the bathroom of my RV. As you can tell, it's not very big in here, but we've made some great upgrades and modifications that I think you're going to want to see. Come check them out with me. Alright, now one of the first upgrades that we made here was we put these adhesive towel racks and toilet paper holders down in the RV because the RV didn't come with any. So we had nowhere to put our towels and we had nowhere to hang our toilet paper from. And they've made all the difference. Now the next modification I'm going to show you is this little shelf that we put here. There's absolutely zero storage in this bathroom except for the medicine cabinet. So there's nowhere to store towels, there's nowhere to store hair dryers or anything like that. So we got this shelf here. It's a standalone shelf. We got it off of Amazon. We don't move it during travel. We've actually stuck it to the walls with command strips. So it stays right in place and everything stays in it. Now, again, we have no storage in this bathroom, so we have to maximize every piece of storage. So we have this over-the-door kind of shelf and towel rack. It hangs over the door where we're able to put things in this little basket right here, and it's got 4 hooks that we hang our towels from. We put these little kind of rubber stoppers here, so it prevents them from scratching the door. Great idea. Okay, like I said before, there's not a lot of room in here, as you can tell. So when you're standing in the bathroom, the shower curtain became like an issue. Actually, when you're in the shower curtain became an issue. So we bought this extendable shower curtain rod. So when you're inside the shower, you can extend it outward. Gives you a little more elbow room when you're in the shower. And when you're not in the shower, you can push it in like this, and it creates a little more space for you in the bathroom. This thing, it's one of those like minor changes that you make that make all the difference in the world. All right, now, so inside the shower, we've made a few modifications and a few upgrades. The first thing was this oxygenic shower head. When the RV came to us, it had the standard factory installed shower head, which was ugly. Let's start there. But it also did not regulate the water correctly. And anyone who knows RV life knows that in a shower, you have a limited amount of hot water. So this oxygenic shower head actually regulates the water pressure. So you're actually using less water when you take a shower. And we love it. It's also got this kind of like hose. So we're able, if we needed to hose the dog off, to hose Jet off, to hose our feet off, whatever it is. So this was like one of the first upgrades I made. Great upgrade. We love this. Now when you're in that shower, you got a lot of stuff. We currently put some command hooks up there, and we have this kind of like nifty little storage thing hanging. It's a mesh bag, so it doesn't retain water or get mildewy. And we have all sorts of things, razors, our soap, anything we need in the shower there. And we also have something that I'm actually going to install today on the shower. I'm going to show you what that is right now. So I have my Safoner RV shower corner storage bar, and I am going to install them right now. Thank you to Safoner for sending these over for us to test them out. Let's see how they work. All right, so first things first, I want to make sure I went ahead and prepped the side here to make sure that it was clean of debris, soap, anything like that. It seems to be pretty dry. We are going to take the adhesive off. We're going to take the adhesive off. Pretty simple. And we're going to put them where we think is a good spot here. I guess I could make them smaller if I wanted. Yeah, let's make them smaller. So we'll go here, and we'll go here. That seems pretty good. Line them up, make sure they stick. And they are adjustable, so you can put them as close to the corner or as far away as you want. I'll put the exact dimensions right here on the screen. Fully adjustable. The adhesive seems pretty good. They are pretty durable. They're made of they're not plastic, so they're made of a nice solid metal material, and they look sturdy. Easy as pie. Got the Safoner storage corner bars installed. Super easy installation. There was no drilling at all. Adjustable, as I said before. They look great. And if you're looking to get yourself some of these, I have a discount code in the description just for you. All right, so the bathroom, even though it's small, there are upgrades that you can make to really maximize your space. Links for everything are in the description if you are looking for any of these products. As always, thank you so much for watching the channel. If you got any value out of this video, let us know. And check out this video on the RV essentials that you need to get started.